Welcome to 8630 Carolina Lily Lane. We're going to take a tour of this beautiful townhouse. Let's go inside. So inside, you walk into the family room. It has hardwoods at the entry. And then to your right here, you have a garage, a closet, and a half bathroom. A one-car garage, closet, and a spacious half bath right here with another large linen closet right there. Coming back in, so you also have this little nook over here that could be used as an extension of a living room or part of the dining room. Coming past, you have the stairs up, your dining room or kitchen, and a large island right there with your pantry, fridge, range, microwave, and dishwasher, and your sink. You do have a sliding door that you can see the outside with the divider. This is an end unit. So let's head up the stairs. So heading on up, you have this nice landing, pretty good size. You have two secondary bedrooms, a laundry room, master to the right, and a bathroom here, full bathroom. Pretty good size. This bedroom's also above the garage. Again, good size, has a closet right there. And back out, your other secondary bedroom. Again, a closet. And your laundry right here. And then this is your master, which is actually a very good size, spacious master bedroom. Has a little vault to it. It does have an alarm system that you could enable next to the entry. And then your closet and master bathroom are right off here, so your closet will be right off the right. This is a nice walk-in closet, good size. And then your master bathroom right here. Your master is on the rear, so you're overlooking the outside, which you are an end unit. So you don't have any neighbors on this wall over here by your master. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a buzz or a call. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.